boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Great collab, Kygo and McNown. They do Take Me Back. Great song. And if you watch the music video, you will gonna see that he plays exactly the same as we're gonna do right now with a capo on fourth. Before we move on with that, I have a new YouTube channel called Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. New YouTube channel where you're gonna play a full song from A to Z. It's a full playthrough, chords shown on the screen. You just follow along and play. A great way to learn a full song. So yeah, if you want to support me, then go and subscribe to that channel. I highly appreciate it. So thank you so much for your support, guys. Now let's focus on this song. We have 4 chords to go over, so let's do that together. A minor first. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the F C next, or actually F major / C. So it's the third A, third D, second G, first B, and open E. C next. That goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And next up, the final chord is the G add 11. So that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, first B, and third E. I'm going to give you the notes for each and every chord so you can build in that melody into the strumming. So it goes like this. So you have the notes on that first fret B string and then second G. That's the A minor part. And then the FC part is so the first fret B string and open G. Then comes the C part. And that is the third fret high E string and open high E. And the G part is 2 times on the third fret B string and then first fret B. So with the bass notes added from each and every chord, the A minor as open A, the FC as a third A, C, third A again, and G, third E, it goes like this. Now we're going to learn the strumming. So we have a 2-part strumming. We're going to look into the transition from A minor to FC, part 1 and part 2, and then you're going to use the same principles for the C to G. So A minor to FC goes like this. So A minor part 1, it's down, up, down. And then you shift chords to FC and play part 2, and it's down, up, down, 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 up. So together it's, and then you use the same principles on the C to G add, C part 1 and G add part 2 like this. And a full chord progression around goes like this. And that's it, my friends. Take Me Back. That's the title of that great song. So, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.